tensions between India and Pakistan intensify, a parallel wave of public backlash is emerging across India. This time directed at Turkey and Azerbaijan, two nations that have traditionally enjoyed strong tourism and cultural ties with Indian travelers. The shift in public sentiment follows expressions of support from the two countries for Pakistan after Operation Sindoor, India's targeted military response that destroyed terror infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The operation came in response to the Pahalgam terror attack, which claimed the lives of 26 civilians. According to Reuters, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan contacted Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif shortly after the strikes, praising Islamabad's calm and restrained approach. Unconfirmed reports have also alleged that Turkish military aircraft recently landed in Pakistan and that Turkish-made drones may have been used in strikes targeting Indian territory. The developments have triggered a wave of online criticism, with many Indians calling for a boycott of Turkish and Azerbaijani products, services, and travel. Social media platforms have seen a sharp increase in posts urging citizens to avoid flying Turkish Airlines and reconsider tourism to the two countries. One widely shared post on X urged Indians to put national interest over convenience, arguing that economic ties with nations supporting Pakistan risk undermining India's security concerns. The sentiment has been echoed by figures in the entertainment and business sectors. Singer Vishal Mishra stated he would no longer travel to Turkey or Azerbaijan for leisure or concerts, while actor Kushal Tandon revealed that his mother had cancelled a planned trip to Turkey, forfeiting non-refundable bookings in the process. Travel company Ease My Trip issued an advisory asking Indian travelers to avoid visiting both countries. Meanwhile, domestic hospitality brands such as Goa Villas and Go Homestays announced that they would no longer cater to Turkish citizens or maintain partnerships with Turkish Airlines. Low-cost carrier Indigo, which operates in partnership with Turkish Airlines, has also come under public pressure, with social media users urging the airline to reconsider its association. For more updates, stay tuned to Shosha.